This year, in my third year doing my degree, I had the opportunity to do a module, or everyone has to do a module that's called Synoptic Physics, which gives you a real chance to connect lots of different aspects of your physics degree. It was really useful because it gives you a real opportunity to sort of get what an interview would be like if you went for a job interview for maths or for physics or something that involved those. And they can be some really sort of abstract concepts that they ask you about, and then you have to sort of use all of your knowledge in physics to start thinking about them. So there was one example about having a beer glass on a train, and how do the bubbles move, and it depends on whether the train's accelerating or moving at a constant speed. So it's really sort of out of the, just out of anything, you can then solve it with a physics problem. I think it really helps build your confidence to things like interviews, because it ended with, you had a mock interview with one of the academics in the department, and it was just useful to sort of pull together all of the things you've learned over 3 years and condense it into one. If you do the undergraduate masters in physics, you have to do in your third year a review project. The idea is that you read around a specific topic, and then you have to do a critical analysis of everything within that topic, and write essentially like a summary paper. It gives you an opportunity not only to learn independently a topic in physics that you typically haven't really covered before in your degree, but it also gives you an opportunity to see the sort of style of papers that you get within in the physics community and how you should write them. Within the physics department, there's many opportunities for doing summer internships and things in between your years. This year I actually did one with the physics department, developing an app for the physics department, which gives information to students and things. But it really gave me a chance to work. I was working in a team of 3, and it was just nice to sort of apply my knowledge, but to something else where I've done programming before, but it was sort of unfamiliar, and having to think about a problem and then try and solve it the most logical way.